Hey guys, if you know me, I'm like you. I'm a fan of 30-minute meals, quick and easy meals, but they have to be delicious. So I decided to put together this creamy paprika pork. It came out absolutely incredible. Let me show you how to do this, and let's get started. Okay guys, to kick things off here, what I've got are 2 tablespoons of paprika. And that's the smoked. You can use the regular if you like, but I just like the smoked. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And of course a bit of salt. I'd say about half a teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Take my trusty spoon and mixing we will go. And what I've got here is a 1-pound pork tenderloin that I've cut into bite-sized chunks. And I'm going to add my paprika mixture in. Take my spoon and mix this until everything is nicely coated. I should say until the meat is nicely coated. Next up, what I'm going to do is add a good knob of butter to a preheated pan. And this is over medium-high heat. And we'll just kind of melt this down. Now we'll add the pork in. And I'm going to fry this up until it gets nicely browned. And this is going to take about 6 to 10 minutes. Alrighty my friends, after about 10 minutes we're browning up nicely. So I'm going to add in half a small chopped onion. And 3 cloves of garlic. Just to keep those nasty critter vampires away. And I'm going to toss this and saute it for about a couple of minutes. Just until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Now what I'm going to do is add in 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. And if you're diet conscious, you can use half and half. Just don't use milk. And I'm going to reduce the heat and allow this to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And I just love this color, guys. Doesn't this look wonderful? And before we go, guys, somebody got a new haircut and he just has to show off. Look at him stare at Dad. Cokie. Yeah. And just look at all this wonderful chemistry coming together, guys. By the way, I have a joke about chemistry, but I don't think it'll get much of a reaction. Alright, that cream has thickened pretty nicely here, guys. So I'm just going to kill the heat and we'll go ahead and plate this up. Alrighty then, I'm going to plate this up over some egg noodles or just some noodles. And you can do this over rice or, my goodness, even mashed if you want. And of course, pour some of that yummy, ever so delicious creamy sauce over top of the pork and noodles. Oh, wow. A squeeze of lemon over the top, just for some of that acidity. Last but not least, garnished up with some parsley, fresh parsley. Oh, doesn't this look incredible? And there you have it, guys, our simply wonderful and easy creamy pork paprika. Okay guys, my favorite time in the whole wide world is the taste test. So let's grab some of this up and get some of those noodles. Wow, just check this out. Okay, down the hatch we go. This is really good. You know, you'd think with that much paprika in it, it would be overpowering, but it's not. It's just perfect. The pork is tender, it's creamy, it's rich. I just love it with the noodles. It, like I say, it would be good with rice or even mashed. Absolutely fantastic. You gotta make this. Hey guys, as always, head on over to cookandshare.com for the full scoop on this recipe. Subscribe to our newsletter, become a member over there, all kinds of cool, sensational stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel here. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing. Oh, and if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, it really helps. Stay safe, and see you next time.